For free!
Are you ready?
Our hearts are free. So tell me what's wrong with feeling I'm a flower, you're the bee. It's much older than you and me. I'm in love, I'm alive, I belong to the stars and sky. Let's pretend that we are for one night. Without animals, baby, it's the people alive. I want real love, baby. Ooh, don't leave me waiting. I got real love, baby. Wait until you taste me. I want real love, baby. There's a world inside me that we just use it. Just keep for a minute. Our hearts are free. So tell me what's wrong with feeling I'm a flower, you're the bee. It's not your
Dami entry. Ma'am. Uy!
Ano po yun, ma? Hindi ko inaya yun, ha? Parang ang grabe yung angka niya na.
Sample. So, this is our last stop for today.
Yeah,
We are going to Tanawan Falls
to stay here until 5
or
p.m.
Maria Luisa Falls. Falls.
Going to the cave now.
Let's go to the cave. Let's get away. Guys, my favorite seafood is tahong.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Nintay ko pa yung mga survivor.
Basa ding ah. Ding, malapot yung putik, ding.
Kaya nga, oy, natuyo na siya, girl.
Ano yung nawak?
Ano natuyo? Short ko. Akala ko yung ano mo. Sapin lang yung boy. Yung reflector ko kasing ano, 1 kilo. Kali ka nag-reklamo, sabi niya, ang bigat.
May pinipiga ka dyan.
Ano, basa kasi.
Dito
Kailangan
tayo.
hindi naman nadamay napkin ko. One of the ano. Dinggalan. Dinggalan?
Tara.
Ano?
We're now here at Dingalan Aurora Feeder Court. Ay, sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Umalis ka dyan.
Sorry. Yung may regla pa yun na.
Wala yung pula, boy. Talagagay pa niyo mo basada. Oh, yung essential ko nasa Dinggalan na.
Maganda kayo, maraming short yung sumabukas-bukas dyan. Dadahan lang ha?
Pero, ako nang makalimutan, di ba? Siwalan ko na datay. Dati pa tayo makalimutan na naman ang basta-basta. Hanggang maglolo, hanggang maging lola, hanggang mamatay. Sabi tayo nakabaong po.
Sabi tayo sa kabaong boy. Yan ang friendship. Yan. Ganyan. Tatabihan mo ba ako? Sa pagtulog, oo. Sa kabaong. Ewan. Mabagal sumakbo yung cameraman. Sorry.
Ay, gagong lapit ah.
Ang ganda ng hangin.
Oo. Na parang nakikita niya. Ayun yung last credits. Taki na may pahabol ka pa talagang content.
So, this is
This
the
is
end.
the end of our Dingaland
Aurora
adventure.
Trail. Any last words?
Enjoy! Uwi. Tara!
Annyeong!
Bye-bye.
Sa Lord Bus.